Hi, my fellow WW warriors. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I make my 0 point spaghetti sauce or marinara sauce. I'm going to show you what it looks like first. That's the finished product, but I'm going to show you quickly what I did. I took about a tablespoon or two of country crock and put it in the bottom of my big steel pot that I have here. And after that melted a little bit, I put in some onion, some bell pepper, and some garlic. Chopped it all up and stuck it in the pan. And then after that softened up, and I put it on, like, when I do that and saute it, I put it on about medium heat, about 6 out of 10 on my little stove here. So I do that, and I let it get all softened up. And then after I do that, I buy, if you can see, it says San Marzano style tomatoes, and this is a 28-ounce can, and I bought 6 of them. So always look for San Marzano tomatoes because they are the best ones. It's not a brand of tomato, it's a type of tomato that is grown only in Italy. So if you can't find this kind, this is a Hunt's brand, but I normally buy Cento. It's spelled C-N-T-O, and it's in a yellow can, just as big as that. They have whole tomatoes, and they have crushed ones. I normally buy the crushed ones, so, but since they didn't have any at the store, these are whole tomatoes. So what I did was, I have a blender, you can see my little thing. I just tip it over like this, and then I pour my tomatoes in the blender, and then I just pulse it about 4 or 5 times. I don't like to puree it really smooth. I kind of like the little chunkiness of it. And that's all I did. I just did that 6 times like with these in my blender, and then I dumped it in the pot. And then once I did that, I let it simmer. No specific amount of time. I just did it until you can see it bowling in the middle just a little bit, not too much, because you don't want it to scorch on the bottom of the pan. So once that bubbles up a little bit, I turn the heat slowly down little by little. And once that happens and I turn it down the first time, that's when I add my seasonings. I add kosher salt, black pepper, red pepper, crushed red pepper, and then I add basil, oregano, and some thyme. And I normally use all of that dried. And I also do parsley, which is, I usually do dried parsley, but this time I used fresh parsley, so don't put the fresh parsley until the end. And the reason why it's 0 points is because even you could use as many, you can measure out your seasonings. I don't. And the reason why is because I get so much sauce out of those 6 jars. I can get about 5 or 6 of these and at least 6 or 7 of these for pizza. So when I divide that up into my WW calculator, it comes out as 0 points because with the big, huge mason jars, that's enough sauce for me and my husband for spaghetti or something like that. So that's it. I hope I can do a longer video so I can actually show you the process later on. So maybe I can do that the next time after I run out of sauce first. So I hope that helps you with your 0 point sauce. So happy cooking, and I will see you guys later. Bye.